Okay, so I need to reiterate this. Schools do not have the arbitrary powers to decide which parents are entitled to be involved in their children's education and which don't. Parental responsibility is in the 1989 Children Act, and schools can't opt out of it. In the same way, you can't say, well, that murder took place on my private property, so it doesn't count. Schools have an obligation to follow the law. Does this mean that secretaries, administrators, head teachers don't know the law or ignore the law or have got genuine concerns? Absolutely. But it is not the onus of a parent with parental responsibility to convince a school that they should be involved in a child's education. Now, if a school does play hardball and it refuses to do stuff like keep parents informed as they would any other parent, well, there are options here. I would recommend, if you're that parent experiencing it with the school, you organise a meeting with the head teacher. If that doesn't work, I'd recommend a letter to the Board of Governors and the local education authority. The law is clear on this. Think about it. Imagine a school saying to a parent, okay, well, we're going to involve you fully in your child's education. And then saying to another one, we're not going to involve in your child's education. We've decided. What's your recourse? Now, one of the potential recourses, as well as writing to people and sorting it out, if your ex is the person who keeps telling the school that you're not allowed to be involved and there's no court order, you can apply to the court an application with your ex as the other party. It could be a prohibited steps order, so they can't keep telling the school that. It could be a specific issues order. There is remedy on this, but I need to be really clear. Schools do not have the powers to decide which parents should be involved in a child's life and which parents don't.